this is Christian Baby and I am back with a new video. And this video is where I actually cook the fried chicken. We already went through the process of fabricating the chicken and marinating the chicken, and now we are at the point where we are going to bake the chicken and we are also going to fry the chicken. So I hope that you enjoy this video and let's get it. First, you take your oil and word of advice, boil it, bring it to a boil, and then lower the temperature so that you can just stick the chicken in there and then it just cooks. Then you take your flour and then you take your eggs. Word of advice, you should crack it on the flat side and not on the edge of the table, because if you crack it on the edge of the table, shells will fall into the eggs and it'll be a hard time for you. So crack it on the flat side of the table. Okay? That's the gizzards, and that is the marinated and fabricated chicken. And the reason why I am doing the gizzards is because my mom loves gizzards and she wanted me to fry some for her. I never did it before, but it did turn out good and she was loving it. And honestly, I didn't put it into the pictures, but I did fry them. So the first thing you do with this is you take your gizzard or your chicken. You stick it into your flour first, and then your eggs, and then your flours again. And I already put the gizzards onto the frying oil, I believe. So here goes my chicken leg. And keep in mind, I stuck it into the eggs by accident and then into the flour instead of doing it the other way around. And this is gonna be me frying the chicken. Yeah. And this is me taking the chicken thigh. So fast forwarding all this blah blah blah, la 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 la, enjoying my chicken cooking thing. And if you see me going back and forth and looking back and stuff, I'm checking the chicken and flipping it and stuff. So la la la, cooking the chicken, dipping it and stuff. And here it is, and the oil getting fried and laid to the side. And that's how it looks all done. And also I baked the chicken breast, but I didn't show that. Sorry. And that's how it looks all together. And the final reveal, it was delicious. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And that's how you know I liked it. So bye bye.